What's up? Welcome to Bump
TV
with your girl Krishan. And today's video was all about doing Lovely Bug's hair in these cute passion twists. Do you love your passion twists?
Yes.
So if you want to learn how to do these passion twists on little girl's hair, keep watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and give me a what?
A big thumbs up
on this video. All right, let's get started. So for today's video, we need some hair. So we're going to use Lulu Treese hair as well as some jam. I like to use the extra hold. We need that crochet needle. And we're going to use some Cream of Nature coconut milk leave-in conditioner as well as some black vanilla Carol's Daughter's oil. On freshly washed hair, we're going to apply that coconut milk. And it is a leave-in conditioner as well as a detangler. Okay, so we're gonna put that all over the hair. Saturate. After we apply that, I'm gonna go in with some argan oil, because baby girl needs some oil on them hairs, some edges, them ends, all over. So now I'm going to separate her hair. I'm going to do a part straight down the middle. This helps me as I'm detangling and combing through her hair to do it in sections. And like I said, you've seen them clips. I always got my clips on deck. Now I'm going to take a detangle brush and I'm going to comb through the right section of her hair, starting with the ends and then going up to the roots. So the next step that I like to do is I like to section it and put on a heat protectant. You gotta have your heat protectant. You gotta protect every follicle that you got, okay? So this is what I'm going to do before blow drying. So applying heat, especially with her hair, since it's virgin hair, it's new hair, it's just gonna help any heat damage as I'm blow drying. And as I'm blow drying, you can see that I'm not putting the blow dryer directly on her hair. I'm keeping it a distance away. Once again, this is to prevent any heat damage. The main goal here is to dry the hair dry before starting the passion twist. Okay, so after we're completely done drying the hair, we're going to spray on that black vanilla hair oil by Carol's Daughter. And once again, my goal is just to continue to just condition her hair. We're not trying to dry it out. We're not trying to cause any breakage. This is a protective style. And then we're going to go ahead and part her hair out to how I want the passion twist to be. So we're going to go ahead and clamp that left side up. And we're going to go ahead and start the passion twist on the right side of her hair. I like to use jam when doing any twist braids. So we're going to take that jam and I like to put it directly down the middle of her part. And this helps me see and make sure that the part is even and straight. Okay, so you can see that I've parted off a section in the back of her hair and I've applied my jam and I'm fixing my part, making sure that it's straight. And we're going to part that into 2 sections. And it just depends on how big or how thick you want your passion twists to be. For her, I want them to be a little bit bigger. I don't want super small ones, but at the same time, I don't want her passion twist to be large. So I would say like a medium-sized part. So to help keep her hair and making it last longer, I'm going to do the rubber band method. So each section that I'm parting, I'm going to apply a rubber band at the root of her hair and making sure that it's not tight, because once again, this is a protective style. We do not want to cause any friction, any breakage. You can see I've completed the next row and I'm going to complete the whole right side of her hair, parting out my sections, applying my rubber bands. This makes it easier when we're about to start the next process. And as you can see, we're all done. Look at those parts. Okay. All right, so with this next step, we're going to need that crochet needle. And the crochet needle comes in large, medium, and small. And this is going to be your medium-sized crochet needle. I'm going to stick it through the hair underneath the rubber band. And then I'm going to apply the hair to the crochet needle. And I'm going to pull that through. So with the next step, I like to apply some jam to my finger, and I'll apply the jam to her real hair. And this is just to help lay her hair down, take away any frizz that she's having while I'm in the process of twisting. So as you can see now, I'm going to start to twist. And when I twist, I'm going to make sure that I am folding the hair over the rubber band so that the rubber band is not visible. So we're going to continue to twist her hair all the way down to the ends. Okay. Boom. Okay, so since she's a little girl, of course, we ain't trying to get her passion twist down to her butt or nothing. So we're going to go ahead and pull that hair apart, and we're going to actually cut it in half so that her twists are appropriate to her age. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take that crochet needle, stick it underneath the rubber band, apply that hair to the tip of the crochet needle and pull it through. And we're going to complete the same process we did with the first one, applying jam to her real hair, decreasing any frizz that she has, because with natural hair, we had a frizz, but we're going to go ahead and get it together, all right? And we're going to go ahead and twist, and at the beginning of that twist, we're going to remember to twist over the rubber band so that we can cover up that rubber band. And then we're going to continue to twist down to the very end of the hair. Okay, so we are on the last twist on the right side. And we're going to complete the same steps that we did for the previous twist. All right, we are completely done with the right side. Look at those twists. Okay, honey. So we gotta take that comb, we gotta make sure we get them baby hairs out. We gotta make sure we add that in. And then we're gonna complete the same steps on this side as we did on the right hand side. And as you can see, I only have a couple left on the left hand side to complete to finish this look. Okay, y'all, this next step is important, so make sure you are paying attention. But mousse is important, okay? Setting mousse is important, like I said. This is an extra hold mousse, and I'm going to make sure that I put the details in the description box below. Okay, final step. This is an important step. Baby hairs. We got to pull them out. They got to be where they need to be. But with her, she got baby hairs just on deck. You ain't got to pull nothing out. They just there. So as you can see, I'm putting them all in the appropriate spot where they need to be. And of course, this product that I'm using is an extra hold edge control, and I will list it below this video. All right. We are done. Girl, look at her. Okay. Bump. Thanks for watching Bump
TV.
with your girl Krishan and
Lovely Bug.
okay, girl. Stay tuned. Turn on those notifications.
Bye.
Thanks for watching Bump TV with your girl Krishan. Turn on those notifications so that you can get all updates on my new videos that I will be posting. And I'm going to make sure that I will be putting in the description box the all black beauty supply store that I use here in Atlanta, Georgia. Bump.